What's up, everybody? Welcome to another lesson. This is going to be a lesson on a song by Robin Trower called "To Rolling Stone." Joe Bonamassa called him illegally underrated. I don't really agree because everybody who's anybody knows that he is one of the greats and he writes really great stuff. So this song is in the key of C. So we're going to be in this pattern here on the 8th fret, okay? And then we're going to go shoot 2 down here. So in this, I'm going to put the Deja vibe on, okay? So the bass starts out by itself. Then the guitar comes in with it. Then the guitar part goes. Then the next part is when the vocals come in. And it's basically just a you're barring these three, the 4th, 3rd, and the 2nd string in the 8th fret. And then it goes to the 10th and does the same thing. Does that 4 times, okay? And then here comes the chorus. So we're on the scoot down 2 from the 8th, so we're on the 6th. And it's just an easy chord progression. Okay. One more time. Then the next part. And then it goes in back to that riff again. Okay? And it does that a few times. It does it twice, and then there's this one part that he does. It goes. Okay, that's basically a C7 chord. Same as. Okay. Then he goes into the solo. And then it comes back into the verse part, which is the, I'm going to turn this off, it's a little noisy. Okay? And then it kind of fades off on this chord when he goes, I think I'll have to sit this one out. I think I'll have to sit this one out. Then he goes into that, the famous riff that they're known for in that solo section that goes on forever. Okay, that is same as the verse. Then he does these chords, which is based off, this is based off a C7, this is based off a D7. Okay, you could call these 6th or whatever you want to call them. You could either play them, you know, I play them like this, you could play them like this, you can also play them like this. No, that's not right. Okay. And on the live version, actually, he goes up a half step, plays this twice, and then goes, and then solos over it. Okay, that's basically the whole entire song. basically stays in the same key. The bass line just, you can basically solo in C blues the whole time. Dorian. So thank you very much for joining me once again, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my music on Spotify, Tommy Huxley's Blues Avenue. And thank you so much, and I will see you later.